All right, guys, so yeah, let me just show you this lovely bag, this tote bag here. Yeah, owned by another female.
Hi.
So how do you feel about women in Supreme? Do you think we deserve to wear Supreme too?
Of course, why wouldn't we?
Yeah, there's some guys that feel that Supreme was only made for the male population. Pretty
I don't
crazy.
believe so. I think my Supreme bag looks great.
Right? That is what I call fashion right there, and I think it's universal. A guy or a girl can wear Supreme tote bags.
That's right.
Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Don't forget as well to leave me any comments or questions that you guys have down below in that description box, as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. And don't forget, hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of heat coming out. And as you guys are noticing, I am pumping out a ton of content. So if you don't have your notifications turned on, it's going to be very hard to keep up with the channel as to when I'm posting and uploading new content to YouTube. And do not forget to check out that join button. We do have a ton of perks for our Shade Gang members, so do feel free to check those different levels out to see what we are offering our different memberships on each level. Also, don't forget to hit up that merch. I know that we are sold out still on the hoodies, but there are still some items that I definitely would love to have you guys check out. All right, as you guys have probably seen on my Instagram and on my body right now, that's right, this is Supreme Week 15. We are going to talk about my cops today. It's going to be short but sweet, and we'll talk about how things went this morning. It was a rough morning, I'm not gonna lie. I started getting a couple payment declines, but I had, my iPad going, I had my laptop going, my computer going, cell phone going, and I just, at the end of the day, even though you get that payment decline, you gotta just keep trying. Credit card. Process payment. All right, let's see if this hoodie goes through. Heart's racing right now. Process payment. All right, processing. Nothing is going on right now. I'm so confused. My computer frozen. Process. Computer's frozen right now. Fortunately, we're able to process this could be due to your payment being declined by your card issuer. What? Payment decline? Some BS. All right, let's go back, try this again. Come on. Do not payment decline me. Process payment. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Check out now. Come on. Check out now. Check out. Let's go. Ugh. Got one. We got one. Okay. And I went for some sizes that I felt were going to be a little bit easier to get, which is usually a size medium. Smalls tend to go the fastest, so I didn't even try and go for smalls, but I was actually able to cop a few different colors in the cross box logo hoodie. So stay tuned till my next Supreme video next week so that I can actually show you guys which colors I was able to cop. Other than that, that was all that I was able to get. Tried to go for the board, but that was sold out. And the different beanies that I wanted, I unfortunately didn't get any of the ones that I wanted to match with the hoodies that I copped, other than this gray one that you see on my head. Come on. Fine. You're gonna make me go through here. Let's see if we can find the beanie. The site is taking a beating right now, and something tells me it's the bots. They're just attacking this site right now. Come on, like, let me at least view something. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see if we got it in gray. Sold out. And also what else did I try and go for this morning? That was pretty much it. Everything that I wanted sold out pretty quickly. We're gonna also go in later and talk about all the items that sold out the fastest. And then we're gonna conclude basically with how these hoodies are currently doing on the resale market, as well as the beanies. Let me know at the end, you guys, what you were able to cop this week, or if this was a difficult week, you took some L's. I know that this was a pretty hyped up week, and so for those of you who took W's, congratulations. Welcome to the W team here at ShadeTV. We are now going to just jump into it. Let's talk about what I'm wearing right now. I have the gray and red box logo cross hoodie. And I also have the matching beanie, the New Era beanie. And I'm so glad that I was able to get it in the 2 matching colors, because as you guys know, I do like to go matchy-matchy once in a while. And this was definitely something I needed to have in a matching color set. Out of all the colors, I felt that this one had the Supreme logo just that popped out the most because of the 2 different color differentiation. God, did I say that right? This was the only hoodie that had the most, I guess, bold color scheme that really popped off of the gray as a backdrop. So that's why I decided to go with this as my first option. I do love some of the other colorways that launched, but this was by far my favorite, as well as the beanie. The gray I really wanted to get just because I wanted to match this hoodie. And for those of you wondering the size, I've had a lot of people say I want to see you in a small. So I copped a small this week, and I'm actually quite pleased with the fit. I mean, obviously it's a lot more fitted than the medium size is, but my arms actually fit very well in this, as you can see. I always do this stretch test because that really tells you if this actually fits your arms. And I feel like this fits my long limbs and my short torso. So I was quite happy with that. And of course, like, this set together is just fire. So let me know if you guys were able to also cop some matching sets. Again, you'll have to stay tuned till next week when I get my shipments in from Supreme on those other items. Hopefully nothing gets canceled. We'll see. Other than that, I've got my fingers crossed that those 2 come in, and I can't wait to show you those items. So now let's go through and talk about what sold out the fastest. Europe was a little different than the US times, but we're just gonna go through the US times. The first selling out item was actually the New Era crossbox logo beanie in the purple colorway. Purple always, 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 always flies. That is by far one of the prime colors that is most sought after. So it's no surprise that that flew off the shelves. The color that flew the fastest actually for the US, unlike the EU, was actually the crossbox logo hooded sweatshirt in a red color scheme in a size small, followed by an XL. As you guys know, those are obviously the 2 most sought after sizes, a small and an XL. Next up was the heather gray in a small, the one that I'm wearing, followed by the light olive in a small and a medium in the light olive. Then the lemon went in a small, the purple in a large, then in an XL in purple. After that was the natural colorway. So definitely the top 10 tiered items this week were the crossbox logo hooded sweatshirts in the red, gray, green, lemon, purple, and natural color. And these black seemed to sell out the fastest. Black took a little bit longer, but not that much longer, I'm sure, to sell out. But other than that, the hoodies definitely were the most sought after item this week, including the beanie. All right, so now we are going to conclude with how some of these items are doing on the resale market. All right, so we're gonna start with the hoodies. They retailed at $168, and the gray one that I'm wearing in this color scheme is ranging from around $390 to $470. Out of all the colors, this is by far the color that's doing the best. Purple is around $390 to $450, which is probably one of the next best besides the green, which is $400 to $455. Then a red is going around $335 to $399. Already did green. Navy is $340 to $380. Natural is $340 to $415, and a yellow is doing the worst actually. Is $315 to $340. Next up are the beanies that retailed for around $38, and those all across the board except for the purple are going for a lowest ask of $70, and the purple is doing slightly better at $74 for the lowest ask on that. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in again to one of my Supreme lookbooks. Again, stay tuned for next week. We have a ton of options that I'm going to be modeling. Got a couple wins online for my quick, fast lightning hands. Got a couple payment declines though, so that was pretty frustrating. And I was trying to get some beanies afterwards to match, but all the colors that I got in the sweatshirt are of course sold out. So I can't wait to show you guys all of those pieces. Again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free, as always, to leave me any comments or questions about sizing, colors, you name it. I'm here for you guys. And if you are not already a member of the Shade Gang, that's right. We have so many additional perks that you guys don't want to miss out on. So be sure to hit that join button down below. Check out all of the new merch that we have uploaded to our shopping site, as well as do not forget to hit that notification bell, you guys. We've got so much heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. So again, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next video.